guys, today I'm going to do a video with my cat. Today we're going to test if she is smart. Okay, so basically, oh look how cute! Okay, so basically we're going to test if cats are smart. So we have this toy mouse. If she guesses what hand am I holding it on, she gets a mystery prize. Ooh, has leaves, can you guess? So let's start. I'm gonna hide it in this hand, and she's out of the room, so I'm gonna have to get her back, okay? Here, back. We're back, and today I'm gonna guess! Yay! So, cat in one hand. With your paw. With your paw! Come on, cat. This one? Or this one? Which one? Cat, tell me! Come on. This one or what? Are you smart? Are you a smart cat? Which one? This one? Which one? That one? Okay, let's see. Oh, she was right! Great kitty! Ow, the camera! Okay, great cat, you here. That's one of your prizes. Now you get the second prize. Are you ready to see what's my kitty's prize? Don't be scared. It's a bird. Here you go, cat. You can have the bird. Just like, what kind of thing is? Oh, so you like the bird better than your mice? Okay, give it to me. No, ouch! Eee! Okay. For bird, you have to play with your mouse. So give it a good thumbs up if you like kitties, and she's really smart. Eee! I'll take it for you. I'll take it for you. Right there. So give it a good thumbs up. Kitties are the nicest thing ever, and they're smart. She's like, I love kitties so much. Okay, give it a good thumbs up and subscribe down below. The white button is free, it's totally free. Okay. If you want to see more videos about my cat playing, give it a good thumbs up. Bye!